Alright, what we have in here is 1 can of corn that has been pureed, half a cup of moo juice, 2 farm fresh eggs, a 1/4 cup of melted butter. I used a half a cup of farm fresh honey, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, and a teaspoon of natural salt. So, let's mix it up. We're going to make some cornbread muffins. And when you're done mixing it up, you'll have something that looks a little bit like this. My oven is already preheated to 400 degrees. It's going to fill up these. And we'll pop them in for about 20 minutes or so. Oh, by the way, this is a cornmeal-less cornbread muffin recipe. So if you don't have any cornmeal in the pantry, don't worry about it. And there we go. They're going to be some tasty cornbread muffins. Well, let's just take a quick peekaboo at these girls, see how they're doing. Oh, looking good, nice and golden brown, like they're supposed to be. Now the key is, does the toothpick come out clean? Bingo bango. These babies are done. See you in a second. So there you have it. Cornmeal-less cornbread muffins. There was a dirty dozen there, but unfortunately one had to be taken for a test drive, and I can attest it was quite delicious.